So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing, before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, if you pay attention to this movement right here on our GBPUSD, you see that GBPUSD is now pushing up, right? Previously, the trend was in a downtrend move. You can see that previously the trend was in a downtrend. Market was literally trending to the downside, right? But now, with what market has done right here, market has now changed its trend from a downtrend to now an uptrend. So market is now very much bullish, right? You can see that market is now moving to the upside. We are very much moving to the upside, giving us that bullish move. And if you take a look at this movement right here, guys, pay attention to this. You see this to be your low, and here comes your lower high. This is also your lower low, and this is the lower high, right? Markets eventually drop again to form a new low. This is our lower high right here. This is also our new lower low, right? That took out this previous low. Now this market has now pulled back to take out this previous low, this lower high, thereby giving us a coach. You know what the coach means? It means a change of character, right? Now the market has given us this coach, which is a change of character, right? So on our 1 hour time frame, we want to be waiting for the pullback, which market has literally done right here. So with such a pullback, right, we should expect market to push up one more time. Also have it in mind that 4 hour time frame is also likely going to give us a pullback. So what I would just say is be very careful for the pullback, as there's a possibility that markets will be playing a pullback anytime soon. The best thing you can do is just going for the buy with your buying position, by the way. All what we'll be expecting on GBP USD is still to the upside. So that is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. More updates on this will be covered for you. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.